Hey guys, it's me and Jojo. There's Jojo. Say hi, Jojo. Say hi, Jojo. Jojo baby. He's the baby. Jojo does not like his picture taken at all. You say hi? You say hi? Say hi. Look. Joe. Oh, isn't he handsome? He's my boy. He's my boy. Say hi, Joe. Hey, we're going for a ride. Yeah. Going for a ride? Dude. Hey. 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 Are we going to go for a ride? Yes? Yes? I love you. I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Jojo is like the worst dog ever. Jojo is a hot freaking mess, aren't you? He's a hot mess. He is, he's a lab mix, and he is a barker. You know what that is? You know what a barker is? It's one of those dogs that freaking bark at everything. Dude barks at leaves blowing. He barks at other animals. He barks at himself. Yeah, he's like the worst. And you can tell him to stop, and you can tell him to shut up, and you can beg him, and you can plead, and you can give him a treat, and he really doesn't care. He's going to bark anyway. He's house trained. I've had Jojo. Hold on. How old are you? He's probably, I think, 5 years old now. At least 5. And he listens, you know, he does his little sit down, lay down, pray. He does, he actually prays. Before I give him a snack, I'll make him pray. But, you know, having a dog is like having a child. That, like having a 2-year-old. You really have to be able to provide for them and care for them, and you have to be able to provide care for them. You know, if you decide that you want to take off for the weekend and you're not going to take them with you. And I know that there are a lot of people that kennel their animals when they go on vacation, and that's all fine and well. I don't like to do that with Joe because he's already got separation issues, you know, and I don't say that because I just think he's got separation anxieties, and I'm one of those people that, you know, goes and gets a therapist for their dog. That's just not me. But I do know, because I listen to him when I leave, and I've hung around to see kind of what happens when I leave, and he cries and he cries and he cries and he cries, and just like, dude, I come back at the same time every day. But he, you know, so for me to put him, and he's been through some stuff, you know, he lived with someone for a while. I had to give him up when I moved one time, and they animal control found him like way out on the west end of the island where few people live, you know, and usually if you find an animal out there, it's because they were dumped there. And I happened to see him on one of these Lost Pets of Galveston on Facebook, and you know, I get notifications because I'm part of that group, and it was like, that looks like my dog. I'll be darned, it sure was. I went down to the shelter, and I was just like, oh my gosh, do you think that he was happy to see me? No, he was not, because I was the one that gave him to the people that
you know, he ended up not being with anymore. But my roommate, he's all happy to see her. I'm just like, seriously? I'm here to bail your butt out of jail. So no telling, you know, when dogs are abandoned, there's no telling what they have gone through. And so I just don't feel cool with leaving him in a shelter where somebody can mistreat him, you know. So anyway, yeah, that's my topic for today. Love your animals, take care of them, and if you can't take care of them, don't have them. You know, there's a lot of times that I'm like, I really need to find a home for him because I am not the one to have an animal. But then I come home and he's just like, he's so in love with me, you know, and it's hard to, he's like my kid. I can't just give my kid away to someone. I mean, I could, but I'd be pissed. I'd get in trouble. He's a good dog. He's a very loving, very affectionate dog. But, you know, there's a lot of times when I'm just like, dude, you need a much bigger place than what I've got. You need room to run and run and run and run. But love your dogs, love your cats, love your parrots, love your gerbils or your hamsters or your guinea pigs or snakes or spiders or whatever you got, whatever is your companion in the animal kingdom. Know that they were here first and respect that and show them the respect and the admiration and the love and compassion that they deserve. And if you can't, then please don't have them and have your animals spayed or neutered. So, you know, we don't have any more lost homeless guys. Because Jojo I actually found on the street when he was a puppy. And that's how we kind of came to our relationship. So, anyway, yep. We love each other. And we love you guys. You're in our thoughts. You're in our hearts. You're in our prayers. Joe, tell him. Shit. Shoot. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Sorry. Joe, tell him. God bless. Like he doesn't want. He thinks I'm taking his picture. Joe, tell him. God bless. Let me goodness.